In this lesson, I'll show you how you change the color of the command prompt. So first we will open the command prompt. I press the Windows key plus the R button on the keyboard. Then we'll type CMD and press enter. So it opened now. To change the color of the command prompt, we type the command color, then followed by /, then question mark. So here it gives us all the numbers and the letters from A to F to the colors. So in order to change the color of the command prompt, first we use the color for the background, then we use the color for the foreground or for the text of the command prompt. So let's do it practically. So we'll type the command color, then we choose any color for the background. For example, here I will change the background color to red. So you see here the number 4 is assigned for the red color, and I want to change the foreground color or the text color to yellow. So you see here the 6th number is assigned for the yellow color. So first I will type the number of the color for the background, then we will type the number or the letter from A to F to the foreground or the text of the command prompt. So for example, here I will type the number 4 for the red to change the background color to red. So I type 4. Then I will type the number 6 because I want to change the foreground color or text color to yellow. So I'll type 6. Then I press enter, and you see the colors has been changed. The background color changed from black to red, and the foreground color changed from white to yellow. So another way to change the color of the command prompt, we simply click on the title bar. We simply right click on the title bar, then we click on properties, and then in properties we go to the colors tab, and here you see screen text and the screen background. So now I will change back the color of the background to black. So I choose here the screen background, so I'll change to black, and we go to the screen text. So I'll change it to, for example, to the color green. So when I press OK, it will change the color. So as you see, the color has been changed. So there's a little difference between when we give the command color from the command prompt and when we click here and to change it from the properties. So when we change it from the properties, so when we exit the command prompt and we come again, the colors we have changed, it will be as we change it, the new colors. So, and when we do it through the command prompt, when we give the color command and we change it from the command prompt, when we exit the command prompt and we come again, the colors will be the default colors of the command prompt, the black and the white. So we'll see here, I will exit the command prompt and I come again and open it again, and now you see the colors we changed through the properties. It was the same colors we have changed to the properties. So now I will go again and change it to change the colors of the text to its default color. It's white, and we press on OK. And now I will change it from the command prompt. I will type the command color, then followed by / question mark, and here I want to change the foreground color or the text color. For example, here I will change it to light blue. I will leave the background black and change the foreground color to light blue, and this is the number 9. So I'll type color, then 0 followed by the number 9 for the foreground color. So I press enter, and you see the colors has been changed. So now I exit the command prompt and come again, and you see the colors will be as its default, and as you see the colors by its default, black and white. So this is the difference between when we type the command color from the command prompt and we change it from the properties. So these are the ways to change the command prompt's color. See you in the next lecture.